Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and today I tried to buy a car off of COPART. This is one of the cars. It's an '06 Land Rover. It's a Range Rover, I mean, um, and it runs and drives. Unfortunately, I didn't get the winning bid, but I tried. Um, I really liked the car. Main damage was vandalism. Um, Everything was pretty good. I liked it, but let's get to the bidding part right here in a second. So at first I was just letting these guys go at it, and then my the application froze, as you can see right now on the back. But there I go now. One of the other guys stopped, so I started bidding, and I really wanted the car. We're at 3,300 right now. So I was back and forth thinking about it. Should I keep on going or not? Should I keep on going or not? I really wanted the car, like I told you, but sometimes it happens. The other car that I wanted was a 2012 BMW 750 that I bid on it. I was bidding on it too, but I went up to 5,800, and as soon as I stopped bidding on it, the other guy just got it. He was the last bidder. So, and that was a pure sale also. The car ran and drive. He had 71,000 miles. It was really nice. It was just over my budget, so I couldn't do that much. So right now with this car we're at 4,100. So I was already thinking on what was I gonna do with the car. We're at 4,300, 4,350, and I didn't get a chance to go look at the car in person. I should have, but I didn't. I was at my lunch break when I was bidding on the car, but now it hits bonus time, and then I just hit it one more time right now. There it is, and that was my last bid. I was outbidded, and that's it. The car sold for 4,600, pure sale, and he took it. But yeah, we'll have more opportunities. Now you'll just get to see just random cars that I was watching at the same auction. I believe this was in Sacramento. I can't remember, but I think I'm pretty sure it was Sacramento. But you get a chance to see some cars go pretty cheap. Some cars are just overpriced for the damage that they have. And keeping in mind, sometimes they have the plates, the registration past due, and you have a big bill to pay with the DMV. So you gotta keep all those things in mind. And always, if you didn't go see it in person, just keep in mind some extra work that you might put into it, because just by judging by the picture you see something, but when you have it in person, something totally different. There's a lot more damage than you think most of the times. That was the Range Rover, 148,000 miles. Nice little car. This is one of the other BMWs that I liked. I didn't bid on this car. That was just, it was already at 5,200 when it started, and I didn't even have a chance to bid on it. They were just going back and forth, and they raised it all the way to like 68, I believe. Now this Mercedes, this is a nice car. This one '08 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG. It's got the 6.2 liter, I believe. That's one nice car, and it doesn't have that much damage. It runs and drives. The only damage that it shows is on the rear end. So maybe the bumper reinforcement and a new bumper cover. Rear 6.2 liter V8. Rear end. That's a nice car. This is another one too. I didn't bid on this car. I liked it. I didn't bid on it because it was on approval, and sometimes, you know, you get stuck for like a day or two, you know, waiting for them to release the car, or just, you know, let you have it. But most of the times they won't let you have it, because this car sold for I think the winning bid was like 48. If I would have, you know, bid on it, they were gonna be asking me, you know, they were gonna counter bid on. They were gonna give me a counter offer for maybe like around, you know, $9,000, and I mean that's a big gap from 4,800 to all the way like 9,000. You know, there's no way of, you know, I could negotiate that. So you might want them to, you know, just take it away from you, but sometimes they take it away right away, and sometimes they take like a day and a half or to the next day. And if that's the case, like in my case, you know, I buy one. I was looking for one car, so if I got stuck with that one, I can't buy nothing else until, like, you know, either they release the car to me, or, you know, they keep it. So that's why I don't like bidding on minimum bid or on approval. Because there's a really big chance that you might not keep the car, and it'll just ruin the rest of the auction for you guys. And sometimes they just let them go, you know. That was the case with the F-150. You know, the winning bid was 5,900, and they were asking like 8,000 for it, and, you know, I just stayed firm on the price because it was already too high. And you know, they ended up wasting that whole day and part of the next day, and, you know, finally they just said, you know, they just gave it to me. This is an '07 Mini Cooper. I believe it's $790 pure sale, and that, oh no, $700, and it sold for $700. Now this is a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Pure sale. It runs and drives. This is a nice one. '09 Infiniti G37. The primary damage is minor dents and scratches, so it's pretty clean. It does have a California salvage certificate, salvage title. I really don't know why. Minor dents and scratches. Maybe, you know, it's got a lot of little scratches all over the body, all over the paint. That it, you know, maybe for the estimator or the person that went to evaluate, you know, the damage, you know, said he might need a new paint job, and maybe that would cost the salvage title. Who knows? a 20, oh no, that's an '03 Volkswagen Beetle. Minor dents and scratches also. Runs and drives. Selling for, oh, this one's on reserve. So it is gonna go probably pretty cheap, but there's a big chance you won't get it because it's on reserve. They'll give you a counter offer also. So basically I just go to the ones I like are pure sale. Like this one, see, this one's a 2014 Hyundai Veloster, and it's pure sale. That was the Range Rover. That's it, guys.